All right, folks. Hi. So I didn't film any of this, but this used to be like a little platform of stone. So me and my trusty little tractor that I got took out the bulkhead that was here. That's all that back there. I don't know how you zoom in, whatever. So back there, but then I just spread the stone out. Got some bricks and stuff in there, but they'll go away. And then so my objective today is to move this. This is like the worst part of owning a sawmill, is to have to stack and sticker this stuff. So get a little bit of video of that, and then I got a little bit more to do right here with the driveway. But this makes it so much more convenient coming down the driveway. Let's get this out of the way. Once I come down the driveway, I don't have to go past my woodshed anymore or my neighbor's yard. I can just come down the driveway, drive straight on down, right back there, right to the mill, drop off the logs, and then I can park the trailer back over there where it's parked. Easy breezy. So hopefully this makes things flow a little better here at the sawmill. As for getting the material back here. So stay tuned. Let's do this. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it in the garage somehow. It's still heavy. Let's go for a ride. That's why I tore this all out. This was all loaded up with termites. All these 12 by 12s way back there. So there you go. There he is. The dreaded termite. Apparently they die when the sunlight hits them, but they're still living. They're still moving around. I go in a burn pile now. We don't want that anywhere near our wood. So probably gonna throw that one out. Burn that one and the one behind it. No big deal, they weren't that great looking anyway. They had got a serious knots in it. You can see where they were making their trails. That's all termite. 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 I just happen to have some spray for that too. All right, folks. What we're gonna do? I'm gonna show you how to do all this maintenance I gotta do every time I fire this mill up. Gotta hit all the zerk fittings, grease all the chains. I always hit this with a bit of ATF. You can actually see a little residue in there, but I hit that all with ATF. Hit that one with some ATF. Hit that. There's no chain underneath of that. But yeah, you gotta get the cover off. I always cover it up. I'm not gonna use it for a couple days. This way, if it does rain or whatever, like I'll use it today and then tomorrow I'll cover it up. Or tonight when I'm done, I'll cover it up because it's gonna rain. I gotta get rid of all this stuff. This is a mess. This is all hardwood that I gotta cut up and split. Get that in that pile. Get my softwood over there. Gotta get this ash off of here, get this under cover. A lot of things. A lot of things. So you gotta finish this stuff. Oh, big glob of grease on there. We'll leave that there because that's only going to help us. We saw that. Grease that. There's a chain underneath. That chain, the turning chain. Get all this. Gotta grease these. See if there's any sawdust buildup. There is. Get that out of there. I think the last thing I was cutting was the white oak. The blade's still good. Still pretty damn sharp. Even after cutting that white oak. Lock this up. The grease fittings under here. There. There's grease fittings up there too, but they're pretty good. I actually, you see all the grease coming out of there? That's good. So they're loaded up. I gotta fill up the gas tank. Gotta fill up the water tank. I think I got, he told me to put citrus cleaner. This was the guy that trained me on this. Citrus cleaner and windshield washer fluid in the winter. I gotta get some because it's starting to get colder. So we gotta jack this up to 1200 psi. Right. So all this to get greased. So that's all done. Let me get the tape measure off the rail here. I got all this to cut up today. I gotta straighten the saw out. Put a nice straight edge on them. So that's what we're doing. Now I got a hemlock there, another white oak there, hemlock there, ash, pine. So we still got some logs to cut. Sorry, rocking out to a little Boston. As you can tell, it's one of my favorite bands. So, yeah, this is just an insight of like, you know, what you got to do to maintain these things. I was using like a dry lube on the chains, but it gets expensive. Like those spray things are like the dry lube, they're pretty expensive. So you can get a gallon of ATF for, I forget what it was, like 28 bucks or something like that. So worth it. So yeah, just trying to give you a little idea of what I've got going on. So I got some 1x10s, some 1x6s, a 1x8s. I got some more down there to do. I'm sure it's getting boring watching me do this. So I'll end it here. Listen, like and subscribe. We are getting some more subscribers. My nephew's doing a great job of editing my videos. I love what he's doing. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. Throw them thumbs up, man. That helps the channel grow. And you know, tell your friends. Let's get this going. I enjoy making the videos, and hopefully you enjoy watching them. And if there's other stuff you want to see, like I think this weekend I'll be in my shop. I got some stuff to do in there. So yeah, it's gonna rain. We're gonna keep these videos going. All right, stay tuned.